Today we're making a volcano and a
volcano. Okay.
Volcano.
Show us what you do.
And first, use some salt.
That's a lot of salt. Next.
Now pour sugar. One tablespoon.
Where are you putting the sugar?
The sugar.
On the salt?
On the salt.
3 things of sugar? Or how many? That's it? Okay, next.
Some baking soda.
Some baking. I don't know. You're showing me.
No, water.
The water first? Okay.
And more a little bit of some sugar.
More sugar. Okay.
And more syrup.
Okay.
And more sugar and some water.
More water. Okay.
And now mix it up.
Mix it up. Next. Does that mix?
Oops.
What's next? Rest it in the cup.
Then put some baking soda.
Okay.
Now stir it up. Some more water.
More
Please
water.
Put more water
Okay.
in it. That's enough.
Oh, sorry. And
some drops.
what color is that one? Yellow?
And a little bit.
Red, okay.
A red color. And
More yellow.
yellow.
Okay.
Some
More baking soda.
more baking soda. And mix the colors. Oh no! This is not what I make.
It didn't work?
This is not how I make it. This is not how I make a volcano.
Did you make a mistake? What did you
I
forget?
got to make the dough.
You have to make a dough? Oh.
It's okay.